Imagine owning real estate, but keeping it totally off the radar from creditors, nosy neighbors, and even your in-laws. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic. It's called a land trust, and today we're diving deep into why this little-known tool could be the most powerful asset protection strategy in your financial toolkit. Stick around, because what I'm about to reveal could save you thousands or even millions down the line. Hey, XTRM, finance family. If you're serious about real estate investing, asset protection, and financial privacy, then you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering the hidden world of land trusts, a strategy that the pros have been quietly using for decades, but rarely talk about publicly. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a land trust actually is, how it shields your property from creditors, why it makes estate planning a breeze, how it provides anonymity and privacy, and most importantly, why it could be a game changer for your financial portfolio. So, grab your coffee, take some notes, and let's unlock the secret vault of real estate investing. Okay, first things first, what exactly is a land trust? At its core, a land trust is a legal entity that holds title to real estate. Think of it like a cloak of invisibility for your property, except totally legal and way less Hogwartsy. Here's how it works. You, the property owner, transfer the title of your real estate into the trust. The trust then becomes the legal owner of the property, while you, or whoever you designate, remain the beneficial owner, meaning you still get all the profits, tax benefits, and control. Now, why would anyone do this? Well, there are several juicy perks. Asset protection. If someone sues you personally, your property held in a land trust is usually shielded from creditors. Privacy. Your name doesn't show up on public property records, so you can invest without drawing unwanted attention. Estate planning. A land trust allows for a smooth transfer of property to heirs without the headaches of probate. And for the savvy investors watching this, here's the kicker. When you combine land trusts with real estate investment strategies, you can create a layer of protection that most people don't even know exists. That's right. Your real estate empire can quietly grow behind the scenes, like a ninja building a portfolio. And let's be honest, sometimes keeping your property anonymous is just nice. No more awkward small talk with neighbors asking, "So, how much is your place worth?" Trust me, your privacy is priceless. Now, let's get into the meat of it. Asset protection. When your property is in a land trust, it's legally owned by the trust, not you personally. This subtle difference can mean the difference between losing your house in a lawsuit and keeping it safely tucked away. Think about it this way. Most creditors, like banks or lawsuits, go after what's in your personal name. If your property isn't technically yours, it's harder for them to touch it. Let's break this down with an example. Without a land trust, you own a rental property in your name. You get sued because someone slipped on your front steps. If the court rules against you, your property is at risk. With a land trust, you transfer the same property into a land trust. You're still the beneficial owner, enjoying rental income, but legally it's owned by the trust. Creditors now face a legal obstacle. They can't directly seize property owned by a trust without jumping through extra hoops. It's kind of like putting a moat around your castle, except instead of alligators, the moat is a legal shield. And yes, it's perfectly legal and recognized in most US states. But here's the thing. Not all land trusts are created equal. You need a properly drafted trust document, a reputable trustee, and a clear understanding of state laws to make sure your protection is solid. Otherwise, you might end up with a moat that has more holes than Swiss cheese. Okay, so let's talk estate planning. If you've ever tried to pass property to your heirs, you know it can be a nightmare. Probate is slow, expensive and public, meaning anyone could snoop on your estate. Enter the land trust. With a land trust, you can set up a beneficiary designation, which works like a secret map for transferring property after you're gone. Your heirs can receive the property without probate, which means speed. They get access faster. Privacy. No public court record showing who inherited what. Simplicity, less paperwork, less hassle, and fewer legal fees. And here's a tip that most people miss. You can combine a land trust with other estate planning tools, like wills, LLCs, or family trusts, to create a multi-layered strategy that's almost impervious to complications. Humor me for a second. Imagine your family fighting over the last slice of pizza at a holiday dinner. Now, imagine they're fighting over real estate without the drama. That's the magic of a land trust. It keeps things clean, simple, and, most importantly, private. Now, let's talk about something that's often underrated but insanely valuable: privacy. When you invest in real estate, your name is usually out there for anyone to see in public property records. Enter the land trust, stage left. With a land trust, the trust's name shows up instead of yours, meaning creditors can't easily see what you own. Scammers and con artists have a harder time tracking your assets. You avoid nosy neighbors asking about your financial life. Imagine this. You're quietly building a rental empire, and no one, including your ex or that one persistent salesperson, can peek into your holdings. That's freedom, folks. And freedom is worth more than a few bucks in rent checks. So, you're sold on the idea. How do you actually set up a land trust? Choose a trustee. This can be you, a family member, or a professional trustee. The trustee holds the legal title to the property. Draft a trust agreement. This legal document outlines who benefits, how income is distributed, and what powers the trustee has. Transfer the property. You record a deed transferring the property into the trust. The trustee becomes the legal owner. Designate beneficiaries. These are the people who actually enjoy the benefits of the property. Usually it's the person who set up the trust, but it can be anyone. Maintain the trust, keep records, follow state laws, and consult with a real estate attorney to ensure everything stays compliant. Here's a little humor. Setting up a land trust isn't like building IKEA furniture. You can't just wing it with a hex key and instructions in Swedish. Get professional help, and you'll thank yourself later. Even though land trusts are powerful, many investors mess them up. Here's what to watch out for. Using the wrong trustee. Pick someone who understands the responsibilities. Don't just hand it off to your neighbor. Improperly drafted trust document. Small errors can void your protections. Always use a qualified attorney. Mixing personal and trust assets. Keep finances separate to maintain legal protection. Ignoring state laws. Not every state treats land trusts the same. Know your local rules. Neglecting updates, life changes, marriages, divorces, deaths can affect your trust. Keep it updated. If you're finding this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, comment below with your questions about land trusts, and share this video with someone who's serious about real estate investing. Trust me, they'll thank you later. Let's make this tangible. Here's a real-life scenario. Jane, a real estate investor in Texas, owned 3 rental properties. She set up a land trust for each property. A creditor tried to go after her assets after a business dispute. Because the properties were held in the trusts, she was protected and her income continued uninterrupted. Or consider Mark in Florida, who wanted to transfer property to his kids. He used a land trust, bypassed probate, and ensured a smooth private transition. No court drama, no headaches, and everyone happy. These aren't isolated cases. This strategy is used by savvy investors across the US because it works. So, what's the takeaway? Land trusts are not just for lawyers or millionaires. They're a versatile tool for anyone serious about real estate, privacy, and asset protection. Here's a quick recap. Shields property from creditors. Simplifies estate planning, keeps ownership private, provides flexibility and control. When integrated into a diversified financial portfolio, a land trust can act as a backbone for long-term wealth building. Think of it like your financial Swiss Army knife. Small, discreet, but incredibly useful when you need it most. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're now armed with one of the most powerful strategies in real estate investing, the land trust. Remember, consult with professionals, follow state laws, and keep your documents updated. With this tool, your properties can enjoy privacy, protection, and smooth succession planning. And before you go, drop a comment, share this video with your investor friends, and subscribe to XTRM Finance for more insider strategies that turn real estate from a hobby into a serious wealth-building engine. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay financially extreme.